Hello, and welcome back to our series on working with Weebly. In this lesson, I am going to talk about choosing a theme. Choosing a theme is one of the first decisions you're asked to make when creating a website on Weebly. Once you select the focus of your site, as you'll recall, a prompt appeared asking you to choose your theme. You may notice that there are relatively few themes to choose from. This is why it's important to know how to evaluate exactly what you are looking for in a theme. So while browsing the themes, be sure to look at the overall design and layout rather than the pictures included in the theme. These images can be changed once you've installed a theme on your website. When choosing a theme, your main concern should be the layout of the page. For example, do you want your top menu to be centered at the top of the page or located in a drop-down menu? Do you want a large background photo that covers the entire background, or do you want a smaller header photo instead? These are just a few of the questions you need to ask yourself as you scroll through Weebly's themes. So at the beginning, when you created your website, I just told you to go ahead and select one of the themes on the list. Now we have the opportunity to change the theme. So you might notice that when you choose the theme at the prompt after you created your website, you were redirected automatically to the Weebly homepage. And now you may notice when you log on, you get your homepage coming up on the first page of Weebly rather than the Weebly default page. So how do I change the theme? I want to go into Edit Site, and then once the menu comes up, I want to go to Theme. It defaults to Build, but I want to go to Theme. And now that I'm in theme, I can change that theme. So if I click on Change Theme, then I can see all of the themes that are available to me in Weebly. So for example, we could look at a blog theme, or we could look at an event theme, or we can look at a personal theme. So initially, I chose a fairly conservative theme. As you can see um, from my home page, I've got, let me close this and show you, I've got a typical theme where I've got my information across the top here. I've decided that I want to change it to something else. So I go back to, let's make it an event page, and I can preview. I can click on any uh, theme, and I can click on the preview button, and it'll show me what my page is going to look like. I can cancel it. I can choose a different style. For example, computer's very slow today. All right, let's look at something like this. I can preview. And you can see that instead of having the navigation up here in the upper left corner, I've now got it down here on the bottom. So I kind of like this on the bottom, so um, I'm going to stay with that, but perhaps you don't. Perhaps you'd like something else. So you can continue looking for a theme that appeals to you, and when you find one, you can choose it. And at that point, we're ready to start customizing the theme to get rid of some of the default elements and or add elements, change photos, and things like that.